Hi friends, welcome back to Kannada Kalita Idini. So today's words are come and go. Okay, come we said ba or banni. Then go is hogu or hogi. Okay, so we'll take some examples. So when you want to say that I came today, so I'll say ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದೆ. So ನಾನು is I, ಇವತ್ತು is today, ಬಂದೆ is came. Okay, so when you want to say when you came, okay, so you can say that ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ or ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ. That means when you came. Okay, then next we want to say are you going, then ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, that means are you going, or even we can say ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ. So whenever you're talking to your friend you can say ನೀನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ or ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, and when you are saying ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, that means tomorrow I am going to some place. Okay, so any other examples would be when you want to say you came in bus, so you can say ನಾನು ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ, or when you want to say we came in bus, so ನಾವು ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. Okay, you can replace bus, train, whatever mode of transport you have used. Okay, and if you are saying asking where are you going tomorrow, so you can say ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ನೀವು is you, ನಾಳೆ is tomorrow, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ is where, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ is going. So ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ means where are you going tomorrow. So if you are asking for some friend you can say ನೀನು ನಾಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ. So that means tomorrow where are you going. Okay, so if you want to say someone that tomorrow you are not available, so you can say that